Triple C course and why it is important for us. So now we are going to start. Triple C full form is course on computer concepts. Why it is important for us? So watch and learn. The Triple C course on computer concept. The Triple C course is very important in today's digital world. It helps us learn basic computer skills such as MS Word, Excel, Internet, and email. These skills are essential for students, job seekers, and beginners also. This course is also useful for government job as a triple C certificate is required in many exams. It gives us an extra advantage. In today's time, most work is done online, like filling forms, making payments, and online banking. The Triple C course helps us become digital smart and it is also helpful for office work and increase our chance of getting a job. After completing this course, we can even do online work like data entry or freelancing. Most importantly, it boosts our confidence because we become comfortable using computers. So the Triple C course is very important for building a better future. So now, what why it is important for us? So Triple C full form is course on computer concept. Triple C is a very important course in today's time, especially for student job seekers and beginners. Let's understand in a simple way why the Triple C course is important. The first one is provide basic computer knowledge. Through the Triple C course, you learn basic computer concept like MS Word, Excel, Internet, email, etc. Second one is useful the government job also. In many government jobs, a Triple C certificate is mandatory. It gives you an extra advantage. Third one is important for digital India. Nowadays, everything is going online. Form filling, payments, banking. Triple C makes you digital skilled. Fourth one is helpful for office work also. If you want to work in an office, shop, or school, computer knowledge is very important. So you can easily join the Triple C course and you can do better for your career. Fifth one is online work and earning opportunities. After Triple C, you can do online work like data entry, freelancing, or even start a small business. Sixth one is increase self-confidence. Knowing how to use a computer automatically boost your confidence. So this was knowledge about our Triple C course. In today's digital era, the Triple C course is essential for every student. It makes you computer smart and job ready. Thank you for watching this video and you can easily join our course in the institute. So this is our WhatsApp number 9999478454, 9999478409 and 8851027809. Address is B64 first floor Joshi Colony IP extension and second one is plot number 104 first floor School Block Mandari Delhi 92 and social media digital service solution. You can easily join our course, make your future, build your career. Thank you for watching this video and we if you like this video so please like, share and follow. Thank you for watching this video.